Hello, I'm Lucia from the World Intellectual Property Organization. Welcome to our new series of Madrid How-To, our tutorial videos of the Madrid System. In each episode, we explain a different transaction. Let's begin. How to restrict the list of goods and services of your international registration. Part 1. Limitation. As you may know, an international registration creates a bundle of national rights that can be administered centrally through WIPO. One of the key benefits of using the Madrid system is being able to manage your international registration centrally through WIPO. In this episode, I am going to show you how to use the Madrid system to adapt the list of goods and services of an international registration in the designated contracting parties to suit your business needs and the markets you operate in. The holder, or the recorded representative if there is one, can request restrictions by submitting the relevant form to WIPO, either directly or through the IP office of the contracting party of the holder. Types of restrictions. There are three ways to restrict the list of goods and services of an international registration: limitation, renunciation, and cancellation. Each restriction has different effects. First, let's look at the limitation. The limitation does not remove the goods and services concerned from the international registration as recorded in the international register. It just limits their effects in the designated contracting parties. What does this mean? Let's take an example. In this case, we have an international registration for three classes, 12, 25, and 43, designating Australia, China, and the USA. And the list would be limited to classes 25 and 43 for all designated contracting parties. The restricted goods and services will remain in the main list of the international registration, therefore, still all three classes. But now, the limited goods and services will no longer apply to the designated contracting parties included in the limitation. So, Class 12 will no longer be covered in the designated contracting parties. Two notes about limitations. First, in this case, Class 12 can be the subject of a subsequent designation. This is why the limited goods and services are taken into account while calculating the renewal fee. Second, the limitation can affect either a whole class or just some goods and services within a class. How do you request a limitation? You can find the relevant form on the Madrid System website. The fee is 177 Swiss francs, irrespective of the number of contracting parties it refers to. How to track the status of your request? On the Madrid System website, on Madrid Monitor, go to the Real-Time Search tab, where you can find the document published as WIPO processes them. For more information about these operations, check out the Madrid System website under How to Manage Your International Registration, or contact us via Contact Madrid. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next Madrid How-To video. Subscribe to our newsletter so you do not miss it. See you next time.